Welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to learn about cookies. Basically cookies are used to store the value at your browser. Yeah, so when the it is used in the some of the very cases like tracking your behavior, what you are clicking, it will store using the client side language and or the send to the server side sometime, but it is using nowadays cookies are more used in use because of tracking your things and showing you ads. Yeah, so cookie is basically things which is stored at your client side. So I copied this code and pasted here in the new file called cookies.php. Now cookie is a key value thing, so you need to pass the key, you need to pass the value, like this is our variable name and this is our variable value, and then time. This time is basically Unix timestamp. Unix timestamp is the number which is increasing day by day in all Ubuntu systems or Unix like system. Like in Mac is Unix, so it will use, and in Windows it is also usable because also they are using the Unix timestamp now. So basically Unix timestamp is something number, like somewhere we can't say, but we can see Unix timestamp. Let me show you Unix timestamp. Here you can see this number since January 1970. Yeah, so it will add this one. So this one is the seconds of one day. Yeah, 86,400 seconds it is in one day, the seconds of one day, and it is usable for 30 days. Now this is the thing, so this is the expiry, when this cookie will expire, and this is the path for which site. Let's see, like entire website, or basically you are building a website for let's say you want to access some of the cookies for only the cart page, only the product page, only the login page. Then you can do here like okay, I want to do login.php only for login page, or for only for this page. Yeah, this is the path, yeah, where your cookie will store. Now how to access the cookie, how you can see the cookie? Basically cookies dot let me show before cookies.php. You need to inspect here. You have the here something called application. Here you have the cookies. Here you have this session ID. Yeah, by default PHP will create one session ID for you by default. Yeah, so it is not that kind of thing. Okay, why it is not showing here me the, okay, it is blind play or what? Okay, blind play. Now here's your session ID, which is used to communicate with your server when you are initialize the session. Then this session ID is unique for your client browser, and this will store in the this one, and then your client browser will send this session ID to the Apache server, and Apache server will identify the session ID from your session and then give you data based on your session ID. Okay, so when we are storing this session also, this is missed, sorry, then your data will store with your session ID. So if someone's name is Mr. Joe2 or something, then this will have different session ID, so it will not like override or showing someone else name to your profile like that. Now when I write the cookies.php, then I have something different here. Name is user, value is this one, and then you can see here the path. Why it is not showing me that thing? Here is the path, basically it is the path. So how you can use the cookie, how you can access the thing? So basically they are saying $_cookie, and you can make the name, cookie name, what is the key value, key of your thing, so you can print this one. Now this one is not, your server can't access this value, your browser only can access, or browser's client side language like JavaScript can only access this cookie. Yeah. So how to, now this cookie is there. Yeah. So you can remove cookie. Basically I didn't see whoever removing cookie, it is basically expiring, because you have shown there and you can delete cookie by this one. Yeah, so next time it will automatically create, and then you need to refresh one more time to check the value. Yeah, so cookie is basically doing this work, just storing a value here. Okay, so thank you for next video. Thank you for this video, sorry. In the next video we are doing with database. Yeah, so please, if your funda is not clear on these videos of PHP, please watch the previous videos, and next video will be going too much easy for you. Thank you very much. Yeah.